crab, this lady always want to come get them thing here. When I hear a circle, them do the crab and thing, I hear a circle right across the street.
I like the female thing. I can't stand it. I'm in Jamaica. I have to my crowd. It's sweet. I come and buy 10 pounds of corn pork. I'm going to get done. Tell the one you make corn pork.
People were there. When I hear a circle, I get some corn. Corn and crab, this lady always want to come get them thing here.
I'm sorry.
You want me dancing?
Yeah, I don't eat dumpling. I don't eat lamb. No, you eat yours. Get it?
No, I just want spear soup.
That's what I say. Just spear soup. You want soup? Tree soup. Just and yeah.
Team on the salsa soup.
Salsa soup on me, right?
Soup on me.
Put that back?
Oh yeah. Froggy too.
Yeah.
In the corn? Yeah, corn. Give me a corn. Oh, it's really good.
Yeah. When I hear a circle, them do the crab and thing, I hear a circle right across the street.
Where you get this crab from? Country? Oh, okay.
A farm raised them?
They are not farm raised?
No. Okay.
But them bigger? The farm crab? Okay. So at a certain time when I sell it?
When the crab now everybody
You put the lime in it to keep the
fly.
keep the fly out. Alright.
Yeah, one day I said already.
Alright. So how long now you there, sir? How long now you there, sir?
The godmother, her aunt,
What? Generational thing. Yeah. Oh, the food, the soup tastes bad, man. Good. Okay, man. Alright.
Look at here.
Okay, well, pigs is.
Bring the one that in the water.
yeah, man.
McLaren. I give McLaren, no? Yeah, not eat the crab with water. I give one little one.
Shall we put it this way?
Yes, the big crab. I took McLaren now.
She knows she put the clan. You want a female with it? A small one? I am female.
Yeah, you don't like yourself either.
You don't like me, sir?
Not a female.
You don't like me, sir? I don't like the female. I like the female thing.
Yeah, I bring some for Slaughter, you know.
Lado?
Yeah. mean? I bring on crab with snare so I kill you.
They give me one more now, guys. I'm gonna share my crab, you know. No.
Clara. Clara.
That's it, yeah, that's it.
I phone job this to me, tell you. Me? I phone job, tell you. Phone job, tell you.
Yeah, I'll be this one. How much read?
Thank you, Mara.
Alright, thanks, babe. Alright.
I'm Jamaica. I have in my crowd. Some I don't know where the name, but let me tell you where this is. A crab. And that's how I eat it. But I don't twang, but what is that? Is that crab? A crab. That's what I mean. Okay. When you come my yard, I eat your crab. Eat them. Eat them. See them so. If you don't know, when you see it, see? A crab. A crab. See there? A crab. Crab. See? God. It's sweet, you're fat. It's sweet. I let me shit too. I let shit me.
Nasty.
What nasty about it? I let me eat shit. Let me say my van, my mass. I let shit. I know. Well, I excel. I don't know what this is. I remember. We used to go to the bush. Go catch crab, you know me.
There you go, why you choke?
Man, I'm not done. I'm pretty hard. I love crab. I eat crab. We eat crab morning, night, morning, day and June. But we don't Chilani. Chilani you come from, you know. And you know where I am. Talk about your yellow yam. As we don't get crab. I don't get what you call this thing? Fish. We don't even sit near Chilani. Happy yam. Yam. You don't even see the daylight. You don't see the daylight up there?
Guess how fast Usain Bolt is?
Mm-hmm. Well,
Yeah, I am do that too.
that's true. You saying what is a fast man? Mm-hmm. But
Yeah, that crab look.
mm,
So why it look so grey, die?
God, sit down in the water long. So when you sit down,
The crab is
man,
supposed to be white.
wait there, wait there. I show you. No open it so. You see it?
Yo, that's disgusting.
At the best part. See that? It's just sweet.
No, I get that's it myself now.
No man. Man. You knock you and say come butter, come fat. Sweet man. Show me view. You sit down in a big radius. Buy crab. Throw that hero circle paper. Bun me your fat. I mean I say. Yes. No, remember where you come from. And you make shit. You never kill me when me a bikini. And now you kill me now. So, and when me I grow up, they say, when a pie is fatten, I have to,
Can't make you sick too.
they're not, that boat. I go. Yeah. You want a piece? You want a piece?
Nah, it look too grey, it look too brownish. Grayish, brownish, I like the color.
Don't worry, me and me for you.
I wonder if I spoil this, but you know, if something for slaughter.
I live in Jamaica. So that can go right on the corner.
But you know,
Yeah.
alright, this is slaughter work, you know, right? I hear a circuit work, so you can't get it, but anyway, that's something for the man.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, you know, it's not a lovely food.
I did me come and buy 10 pounds of corn pork. I'm never get none. That one yam me corn pork.
Yeah, that's not always a worry about the food.
So, man. Yeah, I mean I'm fast too. The one thing say, because I live a foreign, me ask you, all I know, live abroad. You know, so that day, yeah, I get really upset. When my co-worker was said to me, say, see me with my big plate of red pea soup. Hungry, you know, like a dog in the morning. Warm up my big sitting a red pea soup. She go ask me if can I eat that type of heavy food that type of the morning. Me say, my girl, Tappy, the cultural facility. And the facility that I work in, every single last one of my co-worker who have the same ethnicity, background, speak their language. Spanish speak Spanish. My African sisters and brothers speak their dialect. And you have Nigerian don't understand the Ghanaian don't understand what the other girl that come from South Africa, and you have Guinea. I have about 5 to 6 different Africans, people from Africa at the job that speak totally different, and they don't understand each other. But they all speak their language and they all respect each other. But it's only my people. What wrong with we? Because no matter where you go in another world, yeah. Open your passport and you identify. Because your passport, no matter what, unless if you're born in America, even though you have an American passport, you're going to say place of birth, Jamaica. So no matter how you try to hide who you is, it's going to show. So better we just stop it. Respect our forefathers who fight, and it's a reason why we have this dialogue, and we should never be ashamed of what we speak, because imagine our forefather, Nanny, Paul Borgo, all of these heroes that died for us to free us from whatever the slave and the slave trade and the queen, the oppression, and we disrespecting them. Because some people that say nyam. What is nyam? That's eat for Ghanaian language. It's a they call them that's the Ashanti people language, and it mean yam in their language. It mean eat. So how can it be a chat bad when it's a part of us, because we are part of the Ghanaian, that is the Ashanti tribe.
And you have some Jamaicans say, hey boy, they kumu kumu.
Kumu kumu.
Then them say, oh, in chat bad. They don't know say our native language.
Our native language, and a chat it's somebody's funny.
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
Idiot. Yeah.
It's somebody else language. It's somebody else because our forefathers, which were the slave, they bring it here, and what happened is that the white man.
Some words what them say are bad words in Jamaica. They don't really understand it.
It's a bad word.
People, they don't want you say that or talk that to each other.
No.
Because they don't understand it and they think it's a code.
So they say it's a bad word.
Yeah, so it becomes a bad word for Jamaicans, and most Jamaicans pick it up and run with it. They're a bad word, but it's not a bad word.
What is wrong with bombo clot? What is a bombo clot? What is a bombo clot?
I remember that one. The African dude, they tell me what it was, but I remember what it means.
It's not a bad word. It's our language that our forefathers brought here. And Nanny was one of them who bring a lot of it here because they could understand her, and they, but.
And a lot of Jamaicans look at Nanny as this bush woman. A lot of Jamaicans don't know Nanny was a princess.
Yeah, she was a princess.
Yeah. And a fool her. And
a fool, no. Let's correct that. Correct that. No. They trick her father and her mom. I think they were like the king and the queen and whatever.
Queen, yeah.
And again, people don't understand that. Look on us and look on Caucasian people. Do you think that they could have overchores and take? No, we were easily given to them by they tell they're going to go to the new world and blah blah blah. And they believe that's how Nanny came here. They told her that she's going to be some
a queen in
not knowing that their daughter was going to be a slave. But she was a rebellious slave, and she was one of my best hero. I look up to her because she, as a woman, she fight like a hell. Nanny, my respect. But still back to me.
Wasn't the only African royal.
I will leap at them.
Hey, what fight? Enough for them.
I will leap at them.
Because our black history is hidden from us. A lot of us don't understand.
Yeah. Go. Oh yes. At it again. Then I cook some ackee and saltfish. And say a bunny up, brother. You can't cook? I want to that, brother, yeah, man. I want to that, brother. You can't cook?
Yeah, you know you can.
Well, I think you put in your ackee first.
Yeah, you have to put in first.
So I'm going to put in the saltfish first, brother. Okay. No, so everybody cook different, brother.
I will put in the saltfish first.
No, brother. Let me teach you how to cook sladder.
Oh, tell me cooking again.
Look at you sure you can't cook sladder? I don't think you can cook sladder.